Hi guys! Autumn is in full swing. Every year at this time, I make sauerkraut at home. This year, I bought this 10-liter crock as we were starting to find the 5-liter too small for our needs. A 10-liter crock will fit 7 to 10 kilos of cabbage. That's around 3 or 4 of these big cabbage heads. I will clean out the outer leaves and cut the head into quarters. Make sure to take out the center stalk as it would make the sauerkraut bitter. I used to slice the cabbage into fine strips with a knife before. This year I got this cabbage shredder and it makes it so much easier. I will use 1.5 tablespoons of pickling salt for every half head. I apply the salt gradually as it should help release the water. I'll transfer the cabbage into my canning pot. After filling it to the top, I will reuse my rolling pin to crush the cabbage and get a lot of juice out. Adding spice is optional. I will use 2 tablespoons of cumin, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 6 bay leaves, and add it between the layers. Start filling the crock. Sprinkle spice between the layers. Push the layers down. Put 1 clean cabbage leaf at the top and cover with the stone weights. The weights should be submerged. Fill in the channel and subscribe to my channel. After a few days, you will start hearing a gurgling sound. So it looks like I overfilled my crock. It's important to leave some space at the top, otherwise the brine will start leaking out. I will take out some cabbage from the crock to fix it. I made some yummy borscht with the extra. After 7 to 10 days of letting it ferment at room temperature, move the crock into a cold storage like the cold room or refrigerator. And there you have it, sauerkraut ready to be used.
I love sauerkraut.
I love sauerkraut.
It's so delicious.